Good day guys, Bing here. Today we're going to go back to this family. So previously we did this family, but it only works on a perfectly flat surface. So let me just show you. So I'll just turn off the component, and maybe I'll just change this to empty. So reduce the number of families. So, and also let me just try to select this face, and I'll just add a profile to it so we can make this face a curved face. So let's just select this tab, select this. Oh, hang on. Looks like we need to maybe just turn off that component so we can select this profile, and I'm going to just drag this a little bit, so and this become a curved face. So now if we turn on the component again, so you will see this family, so it's not perfect now. So this is because of because of this family, so it's only a 2 adaptive point. So sorry, it's this one. So this one inside of this pattern based family is only 2 point adaptive. So when we have this, so I'll just turn off the component again. If I go show, not this one, yeah. So when we have these points, so for example this one, this one, and this one, they are not they're no longer in a perfect or vertical or horizontal work plane, so we will have that issue. Okay, so now let's so turn on the component. So we're going to try to modify this family. Okay, so so let's edit family. Okay, so it looks fine because this is the perfectly horizontal work plan. So what we need to do is because if you select one of this family, so you will see there's only 1, 2. So you will see, can you see the number here? So 1, 2. So this is a 2 points adaptive family, but which means the orientation of this family will always will be relative to this edge. So for example, if I move the point 3, so let me just do this. So if I move this point, so for example, I'll move this point up, it will not affect, you will see this one and this one. So ideally, so these 2 panels should also go up, but now because this panel and this panel, they are both 2 points, and then they will not follow that one because there's no relationship between this reference line and this point. So what we're going to do is we're going to add in this adaptive family, we're going to add another adaptive point so we can pick the location of that one. So okay, so let's do it. So first I'm going to just move this back down. Maybe let's control Z, so we can move it back, and then we need to just edit this panel. Okay, so now let's have a look at this family. So if you're not sure how to build this family, so you can just go back maybe 4 or 5 days ago. So, and first I'm going to just hide HH this sphere. So now what we need to do, so first we need to find, okay, actually hang on, sorry, let me just close this one because previously we to have So we create, so they are actually two different families, so family 4 and family 5. If you have already done that exercise, you know that we build two because we need to have place them on opposite direction. So but today we're going to just modify one of them, so it will be a family 4. So let's do it. Okay, so same, let's select this HH. So now we have point 1 and point 2. So what eventually what we're going to do is we will have point 1 and point 2, it will be somewhere here, and then point 3 will be about roughly here. Okay, so first let's have a look. So point 1, point 2. So maybe I'll just go to floor plan, and I will just copy this one to roughly here. Okay, so CC about here, and then this point will become point 3. Okay, so that's okay. What we're going to do is we'll select this point, point 2, and in properties, so change this to just normal reference point. Okay, so now the new point become point 2, and then what we're going to do is, so we're going to place this point on midpoint of this reference line. So okay, let me think, do we need this? Looks like we don't need this reference line anymore. So maybe I'll just tab select this reference line. I'll just dissolve it. I don't think we need it anymore. But we need this reference line, so point 1 and point 2, and spline and reference line, and then select this point. Okay, so this is the, so previously this is the point 2, right? And then we just need to select this point and pick new host and pick the, you can use SM. Okay, so SM will pick the midpoint. Okay, so it looks like that should be fine. Just click OK. But looks like we need to rotate it somehow. So it looks like we need to rotate by let's I'm not sure. Let's try 180 degree. Okay, so 180. Okay, so does it look right? Maybe not. Try 90. Not, maybe 270. Okay, yep. Okay, that's it. So now that's correct, I think. Okay, so the next step is we need another point here. Okay, so let's just copy this one. I'll just CC copy it and roughly place it here. And then what we're going to do is it's not very, I don't think it's very critical, but it would be better to just place it in the middle so it's easier for us to what should I say, so relative to, you know, the other family, so which is this one. So when you think about how you're gonna place all the points, so this will be the eventually. So currently this is the panel, and point 1, 2, 3 are the relative location of the points. So we also have here 1, 2, and 3. So which is correct. Okay, so now, so the next step is, so previously we used this point, so which is this one. This one is a point placed on this point with offset. Okay, so you will see this is offset. But this time we no longer need this anymore. Instead, we can just we can use, I think we can use reference line. So for example, we can, if I connect this one
with this one. Okay, so we can create another reference line here. So I'll just check reference line, and I know that if I connect this one and this one, reference line, and then if I place another point and place draw on face and place it on this midpoint, and then I know that this point will be sitting on, I also need to create this reference line, and I know that this point will always sit on this point. Okay, so what we can do is, instead of have this offset, so of course currently this the work plane of this point is on this point, right? So we need to select this point and place new host. We're going to place, or actually before that, I'm going to just place a point, draw on face and place it here, and then select this face and use this host point by intersection, pick this reference line, and then I'll also show reference plane, and I'll check this one so we can see the work plane there. And then we're going to select this point and use pick new host. Okay, and then go here and pick the hang on. Looks like we need to, because you will see this work plane is not perpendicular to this reference. Just let's have a test. So I'll pick this horizontal work plane. So let's see if it works. I don't think it works. Okay, let's try. If I pick this one and pick new host and pick maybe let's try this one. Okay, no. Okay, so sorry, it's a little bit confusing. Let's do it again. Maybe not on this reference line, so I'll delete this one. So create another point. So this time place it on this reference line. Select this point and pick new host and pick this reference line. Right? Oh, sorry. Select this point, hold point by intersection, and pick this reference line. So it will go here, but this time if we check always, uncheck this show normal, and it will see all these work planes perpendicular to this so it will see this work plane perpendicular to this reference line. So now let's do this. So if I select this point, pick new host, go here and pick, and let's just pick so let's try the horizontal work plane, and then I'll just place it. Oh, still doesn't right. It looks like we need to rotate it anti-clock by 90 degrees. So which means let's try this. Okay, so select this point, pick new host, and pick. So this time, so pick this work plane. Okay, so and then place it. Maybe not. Let's try the other one. Okay, pick new host, pick, and this time pick this work plane. Okay, great. So finally, so you will see it stays the same direction, so orientation. So click OK, and then that's it. So now I think now this point, so the base of these reference lines are decided by point 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now let's have a look of the family types and see and have a look of all the. So it looks like I think we no longer need this. We don't need this anymore. Okay, we don't need this anymore because this point will be always sitting on the midpoint of this reference line, and this point will always sit on the uh, the intersection between these two reference lines, so we don't need any of the offset parameter. So if we go to here, so we don't, of course, we don't need this reporting parameter. Oh, hang on. Reporting parameter. I think we still need that one because we need a reporting parameter for these three radius. Okay, but this time a reporting parameter will be, because reporting parameter can only be between adaptive points if you want to use them in formulas. So let's do it. So we need to go floor plan DI. Let me just HH this sphere. So, and also I want to select these 2 points HI, so I can just pick the point. Okay, so this will be the reporting parameter, and let's just use this reporting parameter. But let's go to 3D view, and we need to adjust the formula, so you will see all these are wrong, all these radius are wrong. Okay, this is because previously reporting parameter is half of this reference line. Now it's doubled, so we just need to go back to all the formula. So where there is a reporting, so see a reporting, we just need to double the number. So reporting, so it will be maybe we can do this divide by 2. Okay, so reporting here. Oh, that's not reporting. So RP here. So if I click on apply, yep. So it will go back to previous. So now it's correct. This is correct, and this is correct. Okay, so I think this is it. So we changed the 2 points adaptive into a 3 points adaptive family. But everything else should be the same. The model should be the same. Just only the orientation of the family will change. Okay, so this time it will depending on the 3 points instead of 2. So let's just load this. This is family 6. This is family 4. Let's load this into family 6 and overwrite. And of course, these are wrong now. So let's delete it. And also these are wrong as well because previously we only have 2 points, now 3. So just delete everything here. So go to floor plan and create component. So let's place. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so this is 1. Hang on, something is not right. So why there's 2? Oh, sorry, this is family 5. Sorry, there will be 2. So we did the 4 instead of 5. So let's do it again. So it will be 1 and 2 and 3. So this is a 3 points adaptive point, and then repeat. So from 1, 2, and 3, and 1 and 2 and 3, and then we need this one. So this time we don't need to create a new family. We can just do it in the other direction. So 1, 2, and 3, and 1 and 2 and 3. So let's have a look in 3D view. Looks like some of the panels in the wrong direction, so we can just flip them. Okay, so I think that's it. So have a look of, let's select all of them, and this should still work. Let's have a test. 0, yes. Okay, so 0.5 and 1. And now let's load, oh hell, so we need to select all of them and create a parameter for this so we can control it. So I think a CP, what's CP for? Anyway, so let's link this to that CP parameter as well. So load this into that mass and OK, overwrite. So just need to wait for a few. Yeah. So now you will see all these panels are perfectly placed, and then it will work on this curved face. Okay, so that's it. I will upload this family for you to have a look. So if you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.